In the previous example, we have declared the structure. So let's look at it more closely. So to declare a structure, we use the keyword struct, the name of the structure. In this case, it's a book. It can be anything else. And then we had character title, float price, and int pages. So remember, this is the keyword. This is the name of the structure. And these are the attributes. And once you declare all the attributes, you can close the structure and terminate it with a semicolon. Basically, what you did is you created a new data type called struct book, just like you have int a, comma b, comma c, where int is the data type. Its properties are defined in the C language, which is it can hold a single integer. Similarly, you are declaring a new data type called struct book. So these two are analogous. So the general syntax is struct the name or the name of the structure. You can have attributes. So attribute 1, 2, 3, and so on, semicolon. So here we have declared a structure called struct book. And now we want to define one or more variables that can be declared of that type. So for example, if we want 3 books, I'm going to say struct book b1, comma b2, comma b3. So b1, comma b2, comma b3, semicolon. And as you can see, these are 3 integer variables and these are 3 structure variables. A, B, and C can hold a single integer value. Book B1 has attributes title, price, and pages. Similarly, books B2 and B3 also have attributes title, price, and pages. Let's see how much memory is allocated to books B1, B2, and B3. Remember, B1 has title, which is a character, so that's 1 byte. The next attribute is price, which is floating point, that's 4 bytes. Similarly, pages is an integer, 4 bytes. So 9 bytes are allocated in memory. Similarly, B2 and B3 are also 9 bytes in size. There are other ways to declare a structure as well. So let's look at it. It's similar to the first method. So struct book, the attributes, character title, float price, int pages. Now I can declare the structure variables right here. So I can write b1, comma b2, comma b3 and put a semicolon. So these two are analogous again. They perform the same operation. Now notice that we have declared the structure variables b1, b2, and b3, but they are not initialized yet. We can initialize it using the following method. So let me write it down again. Struct book, character, name, or title of 10. So it can hold a string, 9 characters plus a null character, because title is typically a string, right? Float price, int pages, so 3 attributes. I put a semicolon. Now let me declare 2 structure variables. The first structure variable is b1, struct book b1 equals, I can initialize it. The title of the book is intro. The price of the book is $59.99 and the number of pages are 450. You could have done it using a scanf or you can declare it explicitly here. Similarly, I can declare struct book b2 as Junior, that's the name of the book. Price is 129.98 and number of pages are 780. So this is how you can declare and initialize a structure variable.